Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your content distribution with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your content distribution with Hootsuite, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your social media profiles. Begin by connecting your social media accounts. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Social Networks. Choose the platforms you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to authenticate each account securely. Next, set your privacy settings for each connected account according to your preferences. This will help you control who can see and interact with your content. Now, it's time to create a content plan. Click on the publisher icon on the left side of the dashboard. Start by clicking Create Post to draft your content. Use the available tools to schedule your posts for optimal times. Ensure your messaging aligns with your brand's voice and security guidelines. To enhance security, set up two-factor authentication for your Hootsuite account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Next, utilize Hootsuite's content library for storing images and resources securely. Organize your assets in folders to make retrieval easier while maintaining security. To monitor your content's performance, click on the Analytics tab. Regularly review engagement metrics, which will help you understand what works best. As you distribute content, be mindful of user-generated content and comments. Moderate and respond appropriately to maintain a positive brand reputation. For added protection, consider utilizing Hootsuite's permissions settings for team members. Assign roles according to their responsibilities, ensuring sensitive areas are restricted. Stay informed about Hootsuite's updates regarding security features. Regularly check for new tools that can further protect your content distribution. Remember to periodically review and adjust your security settings as needed. Finally, train your team on best practices for using Hootsuite securely. Regular training ensures everyone knows how to protect sensitive information effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.